All right, let's talk about a huge shift happening right now in technology and business. You've probably seen the headlines. The tech world's been rocked by layoffs. Amazon, 16,000 corporate jobs gone. And it's not just tech. UPS announced plans to cut up to 30,000 operational jobs. Even Dow is cutting 4,500 jobs. So what's the common thread here? It's all about one thing, a massive push for efficiency, with AI right at the center of it.
But as these giants get more efficient, the pressure is shifting right onto you, the customer.
So let's do a quick gut check. Time to be honest with yourself on these 3 questions. If you struggled to answer yes to at least 2 of those, you might be caught in the services trap. See, this means you're not actually buying results. You're just paying an algorithm tax. Think about it. AWS sells you services, basically a box of Lego blocks. But what you really need is the finished house, the result. And that gap between services and results, that's the algorithm tax, the hidden cost of paying for process instead of outcome. So how do you escape this tax and take back control? Here's a simple 3-step plan for any CIO. First up, flip your thinking. Stop measuring activity like API calls. Start measuring real business impact like profit. Step 2 is to declutter your architecture. So many of these cloud services are just expensive glue. The goal is simple: radically reduce the number of services you're using. I've seen this cut cloud bills by 28%. And third, bring in AI FinOps. You gotta make cloud cost a metric your CFO actually understands and cares about. A dashboard like this is a game changer. It forces everyone to connect tech spending directly to the bottom line. So what does this new world look like? Let's take a real-world example. Before, a single marketing campaign was a mess. You had to stitch together more than 15 different cloud services. But now, the business team just deals with one thing: an intelligent agent. Give it a budget, a target, and let it work. The change is huge. For users, it's super simple. And for the CFO, the ROI is finally crystal clear. So it all comes down to this. In the new AI era, are you just a tenant paying rent? Or are you the landlord of your own results?